Hello, welcome to my channel, Project Management and Self-Development. I'll bring years of experience managing technical teams and projects in high-tech for global leaders and smaller organizations. Here, we will dive into the strategies for tackling complex goals, whether in your career or personal life. Expect practical tips on breaking down challenges, developing daily habits for success, and balancing work with personal growth. We'll explore current AI features and how it transforms how we work. In one or more of the next chapters, I'll give a voice to AI chatbot and allow it to even content creation. Let's take the first steps toward mastering new skills together. Work environment. Let's make a quick analysis. In every company, there are three key domains: company domain, department or division domain, and employee domain. Each plays a unique role and has different targets. Company domain. The focus is on driving business growth, ensuring financial stability, maintaining strong profit margins, fostering innovation, staying highly competitive, and building brand reputation. Balancing these goals is essential for long-term success. One example: during 1990s, Apple faced severe financial instability, nearly going bankrupt. The company focused on stabilizing its finances through cost-cutting measures and strategic investment in products like iPhone. This transformation made Apple great again, if you know what I mean. The second layer of any organization, the department or division domain. Departments serve as the engine room of a company, with goals focused on product service delivery, planning and fulfillment, timely delivery, and quality assurance. These goals must align with the company's vision while meeting operational demand. A fascinating example of the power of timely delivery, like how Amazon built its reputation by mastering same-day and two-day delivery through precise logistics and coordination. Amazon's Prime Delivery service revolutionized customer expectation and redefined retail market. The third and most personal layer of any organization is the employee domain. Every employee drives success by focusing on key goals such as earning money, career development, training and learning, work-life balance, and making meaningful contribution to the company's success. But how do these goals align with the broader organizational objectives? Let's consider training and learning programs. Good example are Cisco certification programs like CCNA and CCNP. These programs contributing to Cisco's reputation as the leader in IT solutions. Currently, various organizations tend to call projects activities that do not have characteristics of project. This is because employees do not know the definitions, leading to determining what is a project and what is not. George T. Doran introduced the SMART criteria in 1981 as a framework for setting effective goals. S. Specific. Goals should be clear and precise, addressing what, why, and how. Example: instead of saying, "I want to improve productivity," specify it. "I will implement a task management system to improve team productivity by 20%. And like measurable. A goal must include criteria for measuring progress and success. Example: increase the monthly sales by 15% within 6 months. A. achievable. Goals should be realistic and attainable within the constraints of time, resources, and skills. For small startup, aiming to double a revenue within a year is achievable compared to expecting to overtake the industry giant. Next R, relevant. Goals should align with broader objectives and have a meaningful impact. They must be relevant to your priorities, values, and mission. Last one, T, like time bound. Every goal should have a deadline or time frame to create urgency and focus. A clear timeline helps prioritize tasks and maintain accountability. One example of goal meeting SMART criteria. The goal was precisely defined by President John F. Kennedy in his 1961 speech: to land a man on the moon and return him safely to the earth before this decade is out. It clearly identified the deliverable, landing and returning safely, the timeline by the end of 1960s, and the scope focused on human space exploration.